The police in Trelawny have identified the triple murder victims from Friday morning early morning gun attack in the parish and have also theorized that they were not the intended target but a mere case of mistaken identity. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have released the identities of 3 persons who were fatally shot during an early morning gun attack in Bounty Hall in Trelawny on Friday morning. 3 other persons were also reportedly shot during the gun attack. Their condition up to the publication of this report is still unknown. In total, 6 persons were shot at the scene, 3 fatally. The deceased has been identified as 24-year-old Daniel Williams, otherwise called Alkaline Unemployed, of Crossroad Bounty Hall, and also 26-year-old Tashay Black, otherwise called Tash, and Shanelia Clark, otherwise called Suki, a 25-year-old of Bounty Hall, also in the parish of Trelawny. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News are that at about 1:10 a.m., all 6 victims were aboard a Toyota Voxy motor car that was being driven by Williams on the way to a party in Wakefield in the said community. They reportedly parked in a yard while waiting for a friend when they were pounced upon by 4 armed men on foot who opened fire on the vehicle, hitting all 6 multiple times. A CCTV footage of the incident has been circulating on social media, but might I warn you, the scenes are very graphic, so we might have to blur some part of the actual video itself. So let's go over to that video right now. This is the actual CCTV footage that captured the whole entire situation unfolded, where 4 heavily armed men approach a yard with a motor car parked and open fire at the vehicle multiple times. The attackers made good their escape on foot in the area. Williams and Black died on the spot while the other occupants were rushed to the Falmouth Hospital where Clark died while undergoing treatment. The others were treated at hospital, but their condition up to the publication of this report is still unknown. The investigators believe that the 6 were not the intended target and it was a case of mistaken identity.
From information police has received, about 1:45 a.m. this morning, a black Voxy motor car with 6 occupants pulled up at a house when they were pounced on by 4 men, 3 armed with high-powered rifles, who fired shots at the vehicle, injuring all 6 persons. 3 persons have since succumbed to their injuries. The others are at the hospital. From information we received, this incident would have stemmed from some gang conflict that has been happening in this space. The police are aware of the situation and we are following strong leads, and hopefully we will hold the persons responsible for this crime very soon. These persons that are involved in this conflict are not native of the parish of Trelawny, but they have been displaced here and have been here for some time. These are persons that we have been monitoring over the period, and we are aware of the situation, and we believe that we can bring a closure to it very soon. Based on what we have garnered so far, the persons who have been killed would have been are not a part of the conflict and would have been innocent persons. It was just a case of misidentity.
There's a concern about crime across Jamaica. Whilst we see an uptick in Era 1, we are concerned about the level of violence that we are seeing across Jamaica. And the type of violence that we are experiencing is not normal. And I think when we have these type of extraordinary situations, there's a requirement for an extraordinary response. What I will say in respect to this matter, we are going to use all the resources that are available to to ensure that the people that are responsible are brought to justice. And I want to say we are committed to that.
We'll continue to track this story and provide more information to comment this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.